I'm now in Xiapu, going down to Ningbo, Zhejiang. Now we are at the factory, going to check out the chair. So this is custom built in China. Today I'm in Ningbo, China, visiting the factory that's custom building our very unique 7 configuration car seat. This is actually a seat bed, which means it's being able to design to be able to configure into 7 designs of a car seat, to a bed, to a queen size bed, to a lounge chair, to a dining chair. And this is the framework. The current framework that is designed and built, custom built.
This is 就是你的这个放下来，前面然后你这个可以站，能站在上面没问题的，这边撑住，
这边撑住哦。
我这边
可能也就不要做到这么前面。
对，
因为当你开的时候，这个会撞到。对，可能要拉后一点。
因为它这个是阻尼的嘛，不然。
So first thing first, you need to lift this up. Okay, you can lock it, and there are a few angles you can hold it, right? The next thing is flip it down. Okay, then the same thing, flip this down. So now it becomes a flat bed. Okay, and if I want to have a lounge bed that is facing to the back, because my TV is at the other side, I just need to lift this. Now I've got a lounge bed that I can sit and face this way, right? If not, then it's going to be a bed. If I put it back, lift up the center, right? And we do this, and the space here is still a storage. And now I can keep it back and configure it back into a passenger seat. And I'm taking the train to Guangzhou. So this is the bullet train that is traveling more than 300 kilometers per hour. One of the fastest train in the world. This is the bullet train from China.